Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss the definition of data communication and components of data communication for 6 marks. So first of all we need to write the definition of data communication. Data communication is the process of transferring data from one point to another point using a communication system. It involves several essential components and mechanisms to ensure the accurate and timely delivery of data. So which is going to indicating from the one place to the another place we are going to transferring information through the communication system. So this is the definition of data communication. So next we need to discuss under the what are all the components of data communication. So majorly the data communication which will be including the 5 components. So in this diagram we can easily indicate that what and all the components are present. First it is a message. The message, whatever the information you want to send it, information, text, images, audio, video, etc. Sender, the device that sends the message such as computer or smartphone. So whatever the data needs to send which will require some sort of initiation from the user, which may be the laptop or maybe desktops or maybe mobile phones. Next, receiver, the receiver that receives the message like a computer or maybe printer. Whatever the data it has been sent from a sender, it has to be reached to the receiver. So we require a receiver node. And then fourth component which will be the transmission medium. So transmission medium will be the either wired medium or maybe wireless transmission medium. So next it is a protocol. Two devices wants to communicate in the transmission medium. We require a protocol for communication. The set of rules that governs the communication between the devices to ensure the proper data exchanges. Through this protocol, it can be capable of communicating between a sender and the receiver. Next, the performance of data communication system rely on the 4 key characteristics, which are delivery, accuracy, timeliness, and jitter. So first it is that what delivery. So the system must be ensure that data reaches the correct destination. So whatever the data it has been sent from a sender, it has to be reached onto the exact or maybe genuine receiver or destination. Accuracy. The accuracy, the data must be transmitted without the errors. Whatever the data you have sent from a sender, it has to be accurately, it should not be altered or modified during a transmission, or we can say it as without the errors. If a data is altered during a transmission and not corrected, it becomes unusable. If any such things it has been happening, then at the time the data is not able to use it. Next, timeliness. So this timeliness is very much important in the transmission medium. Whatever the data it has been sent, within some sort of time it should reach onto the destination. Data must be delivered promptly. Delayed data, especially in applications like video and then audio, lost their values. For the real-time application, the timeliness or time is very much important. If there is a delay in the sender and then receiver, we will be mismatched with respect with the audio and then video. Next, the fourth important aspect it is that jitter. Jitter refers to the inconsistency in packet arrival times. Inconsistent delays such as video packet arriving at a varying intervals. So in the real time and all, it has to be mutually exchanged in the real time. Whatever the data it has been sent from the receiver, and then simultaneously we need to receive the data from a receiver. It has to be happen simultaneously. So these are the points we need to write with respect to the examination for 5 marks.